na ako. I don't need to get a boob job. Just kidding. No, it's like, yun nga eh. What makes you different is what's gonna make you shine. Paano na lang if everyone looks the same, diba? So parang yun talaga yung kailangan. What makes you different, what makes you, like, unique, is what's gonna make you who you are and what's gonna, you know, yun nga, make you shine. Yeah.
Make you stand out.
Make you stand out, for sure.
Last na, Labi, nabanggit mo yung husband mo kanina. Alam mo na patunayan namin ngayon, talagang yayamanin yung husband mo. When you mentioned na gusto niyang before the wedding, gusto niya magpatang at nagaya siya sa south of France. Iba, altang-alta yung south of France.
It's so funny, diba? Sobrang random na, hindi naman siya, planado na trip. Pero nakita na niya yung mga pictures namin that he was so like, sabi niya, wow, I want to get a tan, let's go to south of France. Sabi ko, wow.
Na-achieve naman niya yung tan niya doon.
Na-achieve niya yung tan niya doon.
Oo, last na Labi talaga. Last na dito, Jun. Paano yung, kasi di ba sabi mo nga, sometimes when you work, you're 6 months here, you stay na 6 months or more. Paano yung sexy time niyo, Labi, together?
Gusto ko yung, well,
there's kids.
Huh?
There's kids.
Oh, may mga kids dito.
Yung medyo wholesome way to answer it. Paano yung... Kasi di ba...
Let's just... Ang hirap naman, ng question na.
O bawal na raw mamaya so paano natin itatawid yun? Kasi syempre, di ba, kailangan nyo ng time together bilang mag-asawa. So, paano yun?
Ayun, sabi ni Tito Jun, panoorin niya na lang daw yung guilty pleasure, doon niya daw makikita. No, but then, no, he, basta, guys, I don't know kung paano sabihin ko.
Kailan na lang daw uuwi si husband mo?
Well, he's coming here.
Ayun, so may time na lang kayo together.
Magkakaroon kami ng time together.
Here.
Yes. He's gonna stay longer here.
Ayun.
Siya ang pupunta sa akin this time.
Ayun. Thank you, girl.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congrats.